we're going to be looking at translations and how do you draw the image of a figure under a translation. In order to be able to easily do this, we are using a graph, and this graph has a giant cursive D, and its initial point is located at 1, 1. So I'm going to go ahead and note that down. Initial point, and instead of using a curved bracket, I'm going to use a pointed bracket. And I'm going to say that this is at 1, 1. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to figure out this translation. And the easiest way for me to do this is using tracing paper. So I'm going to place the tracing paper down over my image. I'm going to mark D, and I'm going to trace that entire image. Once I have it traced, I'm going to go ahead and flip my paper over, dirtying the underside as we've done before with tracing paper. This is going to allow me to place D over top of D prime, my new location or terminal image. And if I've simply moved it over and up, I can trace it with a heavy hand and create a very faint image underneath. This will allow me to actually go ahead and put it on so that it's visible. So using a kind of vector writing, because we're going to call this vectors, this is going to create a new image, and my new image is going to be at x plus or minus some value a, comma, y plus or minus some value b. So this particular one moves right 6. I can see that this is x plus 6, comma, and y is moving from 1 up to 4, so y plus 3. So that's my terminal point. I'll go ahead and label that. So now we know how to find our initial points and terminal points and easily translate them over using the tracing paper method.